Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to test and try out the Mars Plexi 1 amp simulator by Vadim Taranov. Check it out! So, months ago I had the chance to test the demo version and I was really impressed about how much it sounded good. First of all, I want to thank Vadim for letting me try this awesome amp simulator. Thank you, brother! This VST sounds absolutely fantastic. Alright, so let's dive into it. The Mars Plexi 1 is an amp simulator that was designed with vintage guitar tone in mind. It is not based on a particular model but presents the average Plexi tone. This little beast can range from mellow to a very characteristic roaring treble sound. Alright, so the user interface is very easy to understand. There's a quality switch that allows you to switch between the IQ and low Q if you need to use less CPU. And then there's the standard amplifier control section. We have the presence knob, the input volume, the gain, the PA drive with which you can set the power amp distortion amount, the output volume, and the 3-band equalizer with bass, mid and treble. Also, you can select the bright mode to add some treble to the input signal before it goes into the preamp section. Then there's the high and low switch, where you can choose between high gain and low gain modes, and you can decide to use the stereo mode that creates two instances of the plugin separately for left and right channels, so it makes it easier to double track your guitars. And if you decide to buy the registered plugin version, you can have your name in the username field. Alright, so let's hear how it sounds. I've just loaded my DAW and I'm using Reaper version 5.9, and these are the stems from my song Sore Throat, which is the first song of my brand new instrumental solo album, Musa. This album has been totally self-produced, so if you like what you're hearing, please consider supporting me. Thank you. Alright, so this is the clean channel only. I've always double recorded my guitars, and in each track I've loaded an instance of the Mars Plexi 1 with these settings. And as a cab simulator, I'll always be using the NetIR by STL Tones Ignite amps, with the S Presence I and 2 of Presence 5 IR files from Catharsis Fredman Impulses. Sometimes I'm also using the Dragonfly Hole reverb, which is an absolutely amazing reverb. It's a free VST and it sounds killer. Alright, so let's hear it. This is the first part, only the clean bass. Which doesn't sound very clean, but I'm going to fix it now. You know, I've switched to the low gain mode. And it sounds amazing. Now let's do the other channel. Let's try a different EQ for this section. Awesome! It sounds very deep and wide. With drums and bass. Alright, let's move on to the other section, which will be a little bit heavier. Let's focus on the rhythm guitars. Left guitar. It sounds awesome right now. Let's cook the mids a little bit. Okay, the knobs are very effective, so you can really hear what you're doing when you're turning them. Other track. Let's try a different EQ here. And let's hear both of them. Sounds killer. Let's try another section, maybe this one. Sounds killer. Alright, now let's try the solo section, for example. Always the same part, but I'm soloing just the lead bass. Very saturated signal. Gain at max. Less bass, all mids, less treble here. And let's hear it together. To me it sounds killer. Alright guys, this is all for today. I want to thank once again Vadim for sending me this plugin and letting me test it. Thank you again, man, I really had much fun using it. And if you haven't already, go immediately check out Vadim Taranov's amp sims at pvamps.blogspot.com. Alright folks, this is all for today. If you like this video and this type of content, please feel free to leave a like and comment on anything you saw or heard. And if you also want to see more of this stuff like plugin reviews, gear demos and other heavy metal related videos, definitely consider subscribing to my channel. If you want to directly support me, don't forget to listen to my instrumental solo album Musa and my private practice band project Awareness EP. They're out now and they're all available on all digital platforms, Amazon Music, Google Music, iTunes, Spotify, Deezer, you name it. And also, if you're a bedroom producer like me, don't forget to take a look at my Facebook group, amp sims and VST Plug-In for metalheads. It's a great community, it's growing more and more every day. There are more than 1,600 members now, and you always get updates for new VST Plug-In releases. So once again folks, thanks for watching and see you the next time.